Hello guys, good morning. Yes, I want to bring you an update on Hamster very quick. There's this card under mine that you have been looking for. That is, you want to receive this 5 million and then you have to fill these three. You see, I've filled the first one, which is special Hamster conference. You're looking for these two other combo. Now let me show you where it is. Go to legal. When you go to legal, check for legal option. This is it. Buy legal option. Have you seen? You have the second card assemble. Just a little bit left. You see? I got it. I want to show you the three card. Now it's remaining the last card here. Let me show you where to get it. Now come to no, not this. Come to market or just look for IT. Just look for IT card. Should be in PR. Look for IT card. Check for IT card. This is it. IT team card. Have you seen it? Buy it. Have you seen it? Hooray. Take the price. 5 million. Wow. Have you seen it? So that is the trick of how to win the daily combo. That is the trick of how to win the daily combo. I've been awarded the 5 million. Have you seen it? So it's this three card that is the daily combo if you have been looking for it. So get it and then use this money, spend on all these cards so that you make more profit. See, I have moved to another level. If you go here, you see it. I've moved to another level. I am now in Epic from level 4 to level 6. Guys, have you seen it? So that is it. Alright, thank you. Till I come your way, I'm here to bring you hack and simple way to profit. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Please comment any problem that you have on the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you.